Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready, start now with the essentials. Put the car in park and switch ignition to ACC or on so the system powers up. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and keep the screen unlocked. This prevents timeouts. Once done, open the car's Bluetooth or phone menu and select Add Device, Pair, or Search. This begins device discovery immediately, which is necessary because many systems stop scanning after a short time. Make sure prior unused devices are cleared to avoid conflicts. Next, on your phone, tap the car's listed name and wait for the PIN or pairing code to appear. You must compare the code shown on the car display with the one on your phone. If they match, confirm or accept on both devices. Once paired, the phone will often ask to allow contacts, messages, and media access. Grant these for hands-free calling and audio streaming. If your system asks to set the device as primary or auto-connect, enable that so it reconnects automatically next time. Finish by testing a phone call and playing music to confirm both call audio and media route through the car. If available, mark the phone as the preferred or primary device so it auto-connects. Once complete, make sure Bluetooth audio is selected as the source. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Turn Bluetooth off and on, restart your phone and the car's head unit, then delete any stale pairings before attempting pairing again. This clears conflicts and usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.